Happy birthday! Right, it's Friday, we're in the motorhome, we're ready to go, and we're going to try some urban camping in the motorhome in Norfolk. So we're heading there now. It's about a 3-hour drive, and then we're going to find somewhere to park up, which I think I know where we're going to go, because they'll be surprised if I don't turn up. So a quick pit stop for some McDonald's near Kettering. All happy? We have power because we've got a new battery. Yay. Right, we've arrived in sunny Norfolk, and now it's time to chill. It's a long drive, it's about 3.5 hours, but we got here with no real bother. Had a quick Mackey's on the way. So I've set up the motorhome, new batteries in and working, we have power. And now it's time to get a whiskey and coke, I think, just so I can relax. We're staying in Nanny Christine's tonight, and then we're staying in this tomorrow night, so I'll just get this up to temperature with the heating and that. And then it'll be ready for tomorrow. So I'll catch you later, guys. So we're in, had Chinese, and now we're getting the boys ready for bed. So milk time. Time for bed. See you tomorrow. Happy birthday, birthday boy Elijah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy first birthday from Nanny's house. It's 7:30, we're up, and it's Elijah's first birthday. Happy birthday!
Oh, that's not one.
Will you take the photos? She announced us. He has to take a video.
Oh, it's you!
Right, go through back. We'll do it like a parade.
Conga.
Yeah. We'll do the conga birth.
Round the house.
Right, I've got fire and the cake.
Oh, this could not end.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. People here, look. Happy birthday to you. You gonna clap?
Happy birthday, love!
You gonna clap?
That's a nice cake, that one. I hope you got 2 of them. There's a lot of people in this house.
So, during our drunken antics of Elijah's first birthday, we forgot to record the one thing that you guys actually wanted to see, which is us returning to our motorhome and spending the night on George's Drive. So, let's roll on till tomorrow morning.
So, we had a successful night sleeping, urban style, on the neighbour's drive. What a nice neighbour. Said we could park there whenever we want if we were visiting mum-in-law. Usually we camp there, and actually when you're pitched up on the curb it's quite level, but this is much safer and much nicer. So we had a really peaceful night's sleep. Thanks, George. So Becky had a shower. I had a shower over at Christine's. Becky had a shower in the motorhome. We've got a proper shower, by the way. It is a proper shower and works like a proper shower, and it's great. And you can get the water really hot. And because Sonny slept over at Nanny Christine's, Beck and I got to share the big bed, because usually we have to split, and one of us has to sleep up there with one baby and the other one in here. There's Nanny's house.
Before we head back to the Midlands, we decided to take a quick walk to the local park in Clenchwarton so the kids can have some fun.
Glenn. Yes. Yay! Whee! Ooh-wee. Just getting packed up, ready to go. It's been fun.
Yeah.
Lots of
It's
fun.
cold. Not in here. It's
Not
cold
in here, it's
outside.
warm in here. It's like 20 degrees in here. Yeah, cold outside. Right, it's time to travel back to the West Midlands. We're all set to go, aren't we, mate? We had a great time sleeping on George's driveway opposed to the road outside of Christine's house. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below on what your thoughts are if you've done something like this. And if you subscribe, please press the bell icon so you get notified of any of our content. Thanks again, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.